Marketers, if you're afraid of losing your job to AI, these 5 AI masterclasses will make you masters of ChatGPT and Midjourney. Number 5, supercharge your landing page conversion rate with AI. Learn to produce high converting landing pages 10 times faster by using ChatGPT. You'll get the exact framework to tailor prompts that will boost your conversion rates. Number 4, 3x your organic reach with this 5-step content framework. This has been a game changer when it comes to my creative process. The content matrix that you'll learn generates 50 ideas in 30 minutes, and I promise you they're not going to be generic. After this class, I've increased my content production by 40%. Number 3, achieve human tonality with ChatGPT. If you think ChatGPT sounds robotic, you're going to learn the exact prompts to sound just like you or the brand you're working with. The pattern recognition framework guarantees you'll never have to worry about sounding like everyone else who's using ChatGPT. If you can't wait to deep dive into one of these already, here's the link to sign up. Number 2, the Marketer's Guide to Midjourney. Ooh, this one is actually a personal favorite. Get AI to produce creatives like email, paid ads, blogs, websites, thumbnails, anything really. With beginner to intermediate prompts, you'll be ramping up production like never before. Finally, number 1, the 8-stage offer plan to get lifelong purchasers. This is based on a $100 million case study, so you know there's no bullshitting. This offer framework is infused into ads, website copy, and emails using ChatGPT. It even takes you through audits for how D2C brands present their offers in the buyer's journey. Guys, these masterclasses are all hosted on AdWorld Prime, the #1 learning platform for marketers. Sign up today and get 60% off. Hurry though, because prices are increasing soon.